Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one involves someone using some clay. She cut out some shapes here, created a little bit of a design. And then she's going over that with some paint. Oh, she's making over a lampshade. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. What a transformation. This is unreal. That came out so good. Very cool idea if you have an old lamp and you want to revamp it. And then for the next one, we are at the dollar store. Looks like they bought some bins. I had no idea that they had these bins at the dollar store. But you know what? I shouldn't be surprised because they pretty much have everything these days. So it looks like they are gluing them together. Now, this would actually be less expensive, I think, than if you were to actually buy something this size and this magnitude for a storage bin. That's pretty cool that you put the shoes in there. And you could spray paint that a different color too if you wanted to. So this next DIY involves more clay. They're doing a clay mirror. Oh, they're using paint in here to color the clay. It's like a really pretty pastel yellow shade. Now this is actually a pretty easy DIY to replicate. And it has that cool little like bubble effect that's very trendy right now. We're seeing that in like coasters. Oh wow, that came out great. And I really like that pale yellow shade. That is really pretty. Alright, so next up we have some more dollar store items here. They do have that infamous rope. So they're gluing that around and making a design. Creating some tassels. So I'm guessing she's either making some type of wall art design or a mirror design. Oh, okay, yeah, cool little wall piece there. And here's another one using some pool noodles. Wow, that is pretty cool. All right, so then we get into some spooky vibes with the next DIY. I'm gonna just keep watching DIY Halloween videos until Halloween is over. Let me know if you guys are enjoying them. I'm personally enjoying watching them. They're fun to look at. So we have some type of ghost here. It looks like they're rubbing paint on this. Oh, they have a little candle here. Now this is obviously like dollar store items as well. Oh, maybe they're just making like a cool little like ghost candle. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I love that. That is like, it's so easy too to replicate. All right, so it looks like we are at, I want to say Michael's. I could be wrong though. So they have some type of pumpkin wreath here. Now, technically, we're still decorating for the fall. I mean, a lot of people don't even start decorating until like November. Sometimes I know people that will decorate for Halloween and then switch out to fall stuff, like come November, you know, for like Thanksgiving and stuff like that, which we celebrate November in this stage. So, states. Oh, this is like a cute little Bohemian Pumpkin. And then I wonder if she's gonna tie like the little burlap, you know, ribbon around the top. That would be cute. Let's see what she ends up doing. And wrapping some yarn around the ends or the perimeter. Looks like she went with twine at the top. That's cute. This is like a nice little like neutral pumpkin. I think it would look pretty with the burlap ribbon though. Just saying. Oh, she put like some eucalyptus leaves on there. That's cute. Actually, you know what? That's cuter. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.